ECG, we require this instrument. This is very portable instrument. You can feel it. This is very light in hand, and so the doctor can take it while he is going to visit the patient at home. Now let me introduce some of the basic things on this machine. This is the company that BPL is a company, and this particular model, CardiArt is the name of the model, and here you can find some specific signs over here. So for example, this button is meant for starting the particular machine. Then here you get the speed. Actually we adjust the speed 25 millimeter per second. This particular ECG paper moves, and this is the particular sensitivity. We keep it as on the 10, and then all remaining buttons are not more important, but this mode is important, because in this mode here you can see the hand, and so when the machine is operated by hand, that means that all the leads we do it, we adjust first lead, then we do take the ECG of first lead, then we adjust the second lead and we take the ECG of second lead. But here you get this particular sign which is meant for automatic. That means when you click this button, everything up to the 12 leads, first, second, third, AVR, AVL, AVF and V1 to V6, all the leads will be automatically graphed on this particular paper. And here actually the starting of the particular procedure of taking the ECG. There is a difference. This is the starting of the machine and this is the starting of the paper or activity, and this is the stopping of the machine. And here you can see the connections. Here we have the adapter and we have put it on the electricity. This machine can be run on both, that means on the electricity as well as by the battery. Then here you can see the gel. That this particular gel is a lubricant which is put on the chest while we are doing the ECG, and then you can see some electrodes that we have. So here you can see the wires of the electrodes. Actually this is the metallic clip that we put it on the hand like this, and here you can have those names, which are the names are very minutely written. But when we take the close-up and when you see by the naked eye, you can find it some words, that is the left arm, right arm, then the left foot, right foot. So these four electrodes, say for example this one, then second, then third and then the fourth. These are for two hands and two legs. And then here you can see the black buttons. These are also the electrodes, but these electrodes are put on the chest. And here also you will find some letters that is labeled as V1 to V6, and accordingly we have to put it on the chest. Actually when we are doing the ECG, first we have to connect this particular connection so that the electrodes are now connected to battery. These all electrodes are now connected to the battery. So this is ready for taking the ECG. Okay. So here you can mark, you have to mark the chest leads. So this is the second intercostal space, this is third, and this is the fourth. It comes near about the line of the nipple. So this point on the right side of the nipple, this is that which I have marked is a V1. As opposite on the left side, actually this is the V2 on the same line. Then we have to mark V4 first and then V3. V4 comes in the mid clavicular line. So here you can see this is the clavicle bone, this is the mid clavicular line, and this point can be taken as a V4. So in between the V2 and V4, here you will find the V3. So here you can see this is V1, then this is V2, then this is V3, then V4. Then on the same line, on the anterior axillary line, here you can get the V5. And then on the same line, in the mid axillary line, axillary line, this is mid axillary line. So this point is called as a V6. So here anterior axillary line V5 and this is V6. I will repeat. This is second intercostal space. This is third. You can feel it. And this is the fourth. It comes near about the line of the nipple. So this is V1, then V2 on the left side. Then first you have to mark the V4. It is a mid clavicle. This is the clavicle bone. This is mid clavicular line. In between V2 and V4, this is V3. In the anterior axillary line, this is V5 and then this is V6. Now we will, after applying the jelly on this each point, we will put the electrodes. The student Mahajan now will put the jelly on this particular electrodes. So he is applying the jelly on V1 spot. You have to just press it. This is jelly to lubrication of that point and avoiding the friction in between the skin and the plates of the electrodes. Metallic plate may rub and that will create another striations on the ECG. To avoid that particular disturbances, we are putting the jelly. Now he is putting the jelly on the arm, right hand. हाताने जसं रब करून घ्यायचं मात्र इथे लाव. This is on the right leg. Press it. This is on the left foot, and this is on the left arm. Now he will put the electrodes. Now put this electrode on this arm, right arm. That is already marked. Yes, put it over there. Then on the right foot, he is putting the metallic plate on the top. Metallic plate दाखवा जरा. This is metallic plate. So it should be on the top. So this is left foot, and now the left arm. Okay. Now he will put the chest leads. Cut. Chest leads. This is V1. Then this is V2. Press it over there and then keep it like this. This is V2. V3. This is now putting V3. Then V4. Then V5. Then V6. Now every lead has been put up. Now the very simple thing is we have to just start the machine. Now let us check that everything is alright or not. This is, we have to take it on the 10 sensitivity. Then this is automatic. Everything has been checked. Now I will put the button on, and maybe ECG will start. Here we are getting the ECG. First is the standard lead. Then it's coming the first lead. Now second lead has been started. Now third lead has been started. Then this is AVR opposite, you can see. Then AVL. Then AVF. Everything is automatic. Then this is V1. Then V2. V3. V4. V5. And V6, and then automatically it will stop. Now we have to take the paper out. There is also one discipline for it. You have to cut it over here and then just tear it off over here. You can see असा कट करून घ्यायचा तो पेपर, आणि हा जो ECG आलेला आहे सगळा हा ग्रॅज्युअली नंतर आपण पेपरवरती चिकटून रीड करू शकतो. Now we have to close this particular ECG machine. So you have to again press it up. That is closed. Then you can remove this particular connection over here and then put the button off, Mazen, put the button off, take that particular switch out, keep it over here. And now the remaining thing, we have to take out the electrodes. There is also one discipline you can see, that after taking the leads out, you have to just clean it up, because this is metallic, otherwise it will rust. Then all the leads should be taken off, one after another. V4 I have taken out. Then V5 I have taken it out, and then V6 I have removed it out. Then you have to clean the patient's skin. Actually, when the physician is doing the ECG, he is not doing anything like this. He just put on the electrodes because he is already in his mind. Then I am taking the limb leads out. Here also you have to clean the metallic plate, clean the jelly from the skin. Then here also you have to take all the leads off.